Wait. Take your time. Does anyone know you're here?
Sir, I killed him.
I know, Peter.
But he's dead, sir. I hit him, and it was so quick. I'd do anything to...
There's nothing you can do. If it was an accident...
It was. I swear to God I didn't mean to kill him. It's a nightmare. I can't believe... If I had the courage, I'd... Well, I don't want to go on anyway.
Smoke?
Sir, I want...
Another?
I want to go home, sir.
Well, I have to see about that.
No, you don't understand, sir. No, I have to be punished. I should be, but I want a court-martial. A naval trial in England. Please.
Well, I don't know what I can do. It's a high-level decision. It's not my responsibility.
That's what he used to say when he was alive.
Who?
My father. Very fond of that word. Responsibility. It's all here in his diary. Responsibility. Duty. Facing the consequences of one's actions.
I'm going to lock this cabin, but I'll send along the medical assistant and some food. Now, you know where the bathroom is. And you can use my bunk.
Thank you, sir.